Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. A good deal. Features also include parking assist system, remote start, keyless ignition, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan Intelligent Key and push-button ignition offer convenience and control. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.